If your neck is hurting, do not ignore this. In many occasions, it could be something trivial, but in many other occasions, it could be something serious, something that can lead you to the tomb if you don't pay attention. Maybe high blood pressure, heart problems, arthritis, cervical conditions, and even worse, you're about to go to the hospital and you are hurting and not doing anything about it. Why does it actually hurt, and how can you solve it? So in today's video, I'm going to reveal to you what exactly does it mean to feel a neck that is hurting and what you can recognize from it to exactly know what you're dealing with and how to solve it. The body always gives us symptoms. It actually produces symptoms when it can't control a situation. If your neck is hurting, it could be something trivial. Yes, it's happened to all of us. Maybe the muscle tension you feel because of stress, something that is not very important. But in many occasions, and most often than you think, it could be an indication that you need to go to the emergency room. You need to treat yourself, or maybe take some type of medication, something to control the underlying cause. And that's what we're going to reveal to you in today's video. But before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised at the amount of people that watch my videos but are not yet having to press that subscribe button. If you press that like button, that subscribe button, I really would appreciate. And you know what? Maybe a future video that I do publish with something I say could actually save your life. So having said that, let's continue. Number 1, neck pain right under your skull. If you are hurting and you feel that you're hurting on your neck when you wake up in the morning, during the day, and it won't go away, this is not a good sign, especially if it's right beneath that skull, starting where your neck is going downwards to your muscles. This could be a sign that you are having maybe high blood pressure, bad circulation. That is something indicating that your body cannot control anymore how much blood is rushing to your head or to your heart, or how much effort your heart is making or doing in order to keep you stabilized. And this is very important, because if you're suffering from high blood pressure and you ignore this, you don't take your medications because you feel fine, you don't take your medications, or you don't do anything because you feel that your neck is hurting but it's tolerable, well, guess what? This can become a chronic situation where your heart becomes damaged. You can see a stroke, you can see a heart attack, or you can see an enlarged heart where later down the road becomes inefficient in order to keep you standing, breathing, and living, just because you started feeling that neck pain and you did nothing about it. Look for something like Heart Excel, Garlic Gold, Vein Flow, Berbrain, supplements that can help you reduce that high blood pressure and keep you healthy. Look for them at drlandevar.com. Number 2, neck because of muscle tension. Muscle tension, yes, which is very common. We see all the time. It's stress. We're worried. We have a situation. We are completely, let's say, stressed out with a poor posture. We have a tension of muscles that is not fixable. Maybe during the day, you need a massage, you need a rest, you need to de-stress, and this will fix it. Yes. And this is common. Yes, it is. But it still needs to be taken into attention. Why? Because it could mean that you have a bad posture, that you're using cell phones too often, that you have a poor computer ergonomic, you're just sitting there looking down all the time, you're sleeping in a bad position. It could mean a plethora of things, and you need to recognize which one it is, because if you keep doing it in the long run, it's going to affect you. Look for something like 5-HTP, Q-Calm, Passion Calm, or some other supplement that can help you reduce stress and help you relieve that muscle tension. Number 3, if you feel neck stiffness and pain, be careful with meningitis. Meningitis is the inflammation of the meninges, right? This is that cover that will cover around your spinal cord and your brain, which can become infected, inflamed, and that's where it hurts. You can't even move your neck. It's terrible. It hurts so much. Now, if you're going through this, you need to go to the doctor and go fast. Go to the emergency room. If it's a bacterial meningitis, it's way worse. You might need to stay at the hospital and get some antibiotics. If it's a viral meningitis, it may be relieved at home, but you still need some type of help to get through this. Vitamins, supplements, medication, antivirals, all these will help. But in any case, a meningitis is something you need to pay attention to. Do not wait. The more you wait, the more danger you get into, the more risk you have, because you might not know if that infection will take you away from this world in 2-3 days if you don't go in a hurry and get yourself checked and do something about it. In any one of these cases, you need to improve your immune function, something that can help you out, like Flufend, Omega-3 Max, Vitamin D2000, defense, pro-billion, all these can help you improve that immune function and help you combat a situation that is as serious as you know it is. Number 4, neck pain that irradiates to your jaw. Your jaw is not only composed of teeth, it also has nerves. And this is the secret of neck pain that has a lot to do with jaw pain in itself at the same time. If your jaw is hurting, if you feel neck pain, especially on the left side, your left arm, maybe your neck, and even the other part of your neck is also perfectly plausible that it might hurt, it could be a heart problem. You could be looking at a pre-heart attack. You could be looking at a situation where your heart is suffering. It's telling you, I do not have enough oxygen. I need to reduce blood pressure. I need to clear these arteries because they're filled with fat or filled with ingredients that are just making your blood too heavy, and I'm suffering. I need help. Go to the doctor. Go to the emergency room. Start cutting back on sugars. Cut back on cholesterol, fats, triglycerides. All is going to help improve that heart function and obviously relieve that neck pain, but you need to get yourself checked. You might be having a pre-heart attack, or you might have had a heart attack already and you haven't even noticed. Make sure that you keep your circulation healthy. This is the key to keep your heart always functioning as it should. Supplements that will help you out specifically with this are Clear Matrix from Fineland, Heart Excel, Garlic Gold, and even Vein Flow at FinelandVitamins.com. Number 5, swollen lymph nodes on your neck are not fun. If you're seeing swollen lymph nodes and they hurt, your neck hurts, most people will say, well, they're usually not dangerous. I would say, and I've seen it oftentimes more than you would like, I've seen it to be more dangerous than what they seem, because these lymph nodes come out of nowhere. They appear from one day to the next, and they are usually more serious than we look at them from the exterior, from the outside. You might see a throat infection, yes, a cold, dental infection, but you also might see cancer. You also might see lung cancer. You also might see some type of cell cancer. And this needs to be addressed as soon as possible. Get yourself checked, go to the emergency room, make sure you take some labs, make sure you take some blood tests, and visit a doctor that can tell you exactly what you have. Don't forget to give us a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.